Good morning, guys. Today our topic is node, maze, junction, and branch, and then also we go for some practice. First, and okay. So, what is node?
Yeah.
Look, this is the circuit elements meeting over there. Okay. So, this point A, A is called node, where some electrical components, these components may be resistance, maybe inductance, maybe capacitance, are meeting at a point that is called a node. Okay, so just write down this. Real point at which two or more circuit elements are joined in ED joint. Look, this point is called a node, and the potential is, it is called equipotential, because we know if there is a junction or node, then say this is a circuit elements are going on, then this potential and this potential has a, say this is a P1 and this is a P2. So there must be a difference in P1 or P2, otherwise no current will flow or no current flow in this side. If P1 and P2 are the same potential, then it will, then A and B, it is treated as a same node. Okay, say here is a node, here is a node, point A, here is a point B. Somewhere you can get this type of circuit. To solve this, we have to know, look, this point A and B, it is a same node, because there is a no elements are differentiation, and so A and B is the same node because this is the equipotential. Okay, and that's why these 2 points are same node, so we can write this is a same node. So it is an equipotential point at which two or more circuits elements are joined. This is called a node. Then we go for junction. And I'm saying this for the new EC batch. That's why I'm repeating it. Junction. What is junction? It is that point network where join. So node and junction are same things, but there is a certain difference. Look, node, in case of node, A and B also treated as node, though it is a equipotential. Okay, it should be equipotential. Then also it is treated as a node. But in case of junction, only only there is a point where all elements like resistance, capacitance, inductance, and more than two are joined over here. If what is that? So what is the difference between junction and node? In junction, it must be there is a more than two, that is more than two elements should be joined. But if there is a, say in this case, just like previous, there is a resistance, there is a resistance. If you say this is A and B, look, the potential is same, but you can't say this is A and B is a node. So you can take any position where which are the equipotential, that is called node. But in case of junction, it must be one or two elements are joined. So A and B are node, and this is, say, this is X and this is Y. X, Y, A, B, all are node, but X and Y only junction. Okay, look, this is the definition, and it is that point of network where there are more circuits element are joined. You have to write it are joined. But in case of node, it is an equipotential point at which two or more circuits elements are joined. But here equipotential point, so you can say in between, say there is a look, circuit elements are also joined by these limbs. Circuit elements also joined by these limbs. But what happens? This is a two-point equipotential point. So it is called a node, but you can't say this is a junction. Okay. Now it is going for the next branch. What is the branch? In prior classes, I told you, again I am telling, it is a part of a network which lies between junction. Say so. Look, this is a junction. This is a junction, but it is, you can say this is not a junction. Okay, more than two is not here, and this is you will say this is a branch. This is a node A, node B. So here two elements are joined. So these limbs are called a branch. So what happens if there is a this type of circuit is there, A and B, it is short. A and B, it is short. So is it a branch? No, it is not a branch, because in between A and B there is no circuits elements is there. So it is not a branch, but it is a branch because a capacitor is there between A and B. Any circuit elements should be there. So this is a basic definition of node, mesh, branch, junction. Mesh is I'm coming. What is mesh? maze or friends. Look, this is maze, friends. Look, this is a circuit. Look, this is a circuit, this is a battery, say this is a B, this is a plus minus, this is a C1, this is R1, this is R2, this is L, and this is R3. So just distinguish which one is maze, which one is loop. So from this definition, just read out it. A maze is a most elementary form of a loop and cannot be further divided into other loop. Okay, and all the meshes are loop, but all the loops are not maze. Now what is loop? A loop is any closed path of a circuit. Look, and if there is a any circuit where this type of elements is there, look, this circuit is not closed, so this is not a loop. This is a circuit, but it is not a closed circuit. Here is open, so this is a not closed, so it cannot be considered as a loop. So look, any closed path, any closed path. Look, here is a closed path. This is one. Here is a closed path. This is also another loop. And you can say there is a totally, it is also a closed path. So you can say this is loop one, this is loop two, and this is loop three. But in case of maze, maze is a most elementary form of a loop and cannot be further divided into loop. So most elementary, which one is the most elementary? If you say this is a loop one, this is a loop two, and this is a loop 3. So most elementary is just loop 1 and loop 2. But you, if you say that it's a loop 3 is a maze, no, it will be wrong, because loop 3 will be further divided into loop 1 and loop 2. So maze is only loop 1 and loop 2, and uh, this is the total loops are loop 1, loop 2, and the loop 3. So if you give some name A, that is B, that is C, that is D, that is E, that is F. So loops are A, look, this is A, B, E, F, A, B, E, F. It is a loop one. It is a loop one. But now B, C, D, E. Say I'm giving, this is the B, C, D, E. So B, C, D, E. It is a loop 2. Okay, this is loop 2. And also you can say this A, C, D, F. A, C, D, F. It is also a loop, that is loop 3. But if you, it is told if what, which one is the maze, which one is the maze? Only this loop 1 and loop 2, it is a maze, but this loop 3 is not considered as the maze because it can be again divided. It is divisible. So maze is A, B, E, F. It is a maze 1. It is a maze 1, and B, C, D, E. It is a maze 2. But A, C, D, F, it is not a maze. So I think you can get the idea regarding maze and loop. Again, just read out this. A maze is a maze is the most elementary form of a loop and cannot be further divided into other loops. All the mazes have the loop, but all the loops are not maze. And for the definition of loop, a loop is any closed path of the circuit. So from this idea, you can decide that A, B, E, F, it is a loop 1, B, C, D, E, it is a loop 2, you can see, and also A, C, D, F, it is a loop 3 also. But in case of maze, A, B, E, F, it is a maze 1 because it is not divisible. Well, no sub branches are there, sub loops are there. And B, C, D, E, it is a maze 2. Okay, but you can't say that A, C, D, F is a maze 3 because it is again divided. So now go for an example so that you can understand these things. Uh, look, this is for you. Look this circuit. This is a resistance R3. This is the resistance R4. This is a battery source V3. This is plus, this is minus. This is R8. This is R6. This is the resistance, that is a R2. That is R9. And this is R2. That is V2 plus and minus. वहाँ पे तो बीसीसीएल में किसी का ऐसा कम्युनिकेशन है, कम्युनिकेशन मतलब किसी का कांटेक्ट नंबर और ऐसे सेंड कर दिए थे। अच्छा अच्छा, तो कब look, this is R3 and this is V1 plus minus. So find out which are the, look, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G, and this is H. And we are giving directly K. So find out the circuit elements. Find out the circuit elements one, that is two, that is nodes, three, that is junction, that is branch, and which one is mesh. Okay, so you have to write down the number of circuit elements and then which one, means R1, R2, etc. Number of junction point and which is considered as a junction, and number of branches and which one from point to point. Okay, and number of mesh. So this is your task. Please do it, draw it and do it, and just show me. From EC branch, that is for specially for you, because then you can understand this basics